Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my ginger brother and jelly bean, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. No, this video is just my reaction to the Ishawna equal rights situation. A number of my friends asked me, Mark, are you going to comment on the video? Are you going to comment on the song? What is your view on it? Big up yourself, John and Gary. You guys, you know, we had a discussion about that and stuff. In all honesty, to me the song is a really nice song. It's freaky. It dives into the realm of freakiness. You know, a lot of people, you know, are shy about these things and they don't like to discuss them, and you know, whatever happening in your private life, it is your private life. However, we have dancehall artists that are known to be controversial, and controversy itself. So we need to look back at Vybz Kartel. You know, Vybz Kartel sing about freaky girl of them girl let me love freaky, and you know the rest go. People hated it and people love it, so it had the pros and the cons. However, people still love Vybz Kartel, so controversy sells and it boosts, you know, his career to a certain extent. He's very lyrical. Everybody know Kartel is very lyrical. Everybody, you know, world boss. Everybody know what he can do. Now, after Vybz Kartel, you had Alkaline. Alkaline saying Body Wash, which I don't really listen to. I don't really listen to Alkaline. Don't come and attack me, Vendettas or Vendetta Squad, whoever you are. Don't come attack me. I just listen to a few of his songs, but I'm not into Alkaline as much as I will listen to Vybz Kartel or any other artist. He's good, but yeah, that's where it is for me. The whole Body Wash thing, I'm not into, you know, that. So I don't know what's that about, and I never really listen to it much. No, Ishawna equal rights and justice is very catchy. It's very raw. No, the point that it's raw, that is what is really catching people, right? That is why, you know, people really listen to this song and they're against it or for it. People listen to it and the metaphors and the simile, they're very vivid. You can actually picture all the stuff that she's saying, you know, do her like a backlash Pepsi, bump up and all kind of something. You understand? So listening to the song, you can visualize what is actually going on. So that kind of have an effect on people, you know, open their eyes and they're like, oh shoot, you know, that girl is really raw though. She really come on, she sing about that and stuff, because these are things that happen in society, in people's private bedroom or wherever they go, parties, stuff like that. You know, these things take place, and we as adults know. The issue that a lot of people have, or me personally have, is with the kids in our society, knowing that dancehall is very powerful and it's very impactful and it can change the way you view things. And one of the reasons why I think people is against her, I'm not against it, just be clear, I'm not against her singing, you know, what she feel like to sing. However, if she could be creative, you know, and disguise the lyrics a little bit and make your mind wander away so you can think about it, I think it would come across better. However, it should sing it already, and should sing it in that vivid format so you can actually, you know, say it word for word, you know, stuff like that. You can make fun of it, you can sing along to it, you can enjoy it, you know. We have to protect our kids in our kids coming up now. We have to protect the young ones, and we have to try and guide them. Not hide things from them, but guide them on the right path. And exposing them to certain things like this, you know, can cause them to be curious and actually go out into the world trying these things. And that's where you can catch STDs or herpes and those little bumps around your lips from unprotected sex and stuff like that, sexually transmitted infections. So we have to be careful and guide our children, or Jamaican children. I'm not saying that other slap music are not, you know, being played in hip-hop or other forms. Yes, they do, you know, have those freaky songs in hip-hop and stuff like that, and you know, once you have phone and cell phone and internet, you know, kids are going to listen to these music. But we as Jamaican artists, we have to ensure that we produce proper music, or even disguise it to a certain extent. I know a lot of you won't remember this, but I listened to a song recently by Mr. Vegas, and the song go like this. A lot of you know the song go like this. Heads high, kill them with it now. Just make a boy know you know about. Heads high, kill them with it now. just make a boy know you know about. So if you listen to that song and look at the lyrics and dissect it, he's basically saying females hold their head high, you know, make a boy or make a guy know you know bow, which is oral sex. You see what I'm saying? So those songs come out from about the 80s or 90s, and he was advocating for women not having oral sex or belittling themselves and taking, you know, part in these activities, you know, because that was seen as disrespectful back then. But things sometimes change now. We're in a different generation. It's whole different now. People are expressive and they express their sexual orientation freely and stuff like that. So you have artists that sing about it. And for Ishawna, this is a boost for her career. She, you know, will now be recognized around the world more because females love her. She's a woman, and the worst thing you can do is go against a woman in whatever situation it may be, especially in music industry when the song sounds good, it is catchy, it is real life, it is honest. It is hard for people to come and bash her and win. It is hard for especially men to go against her and say that, you know, it is wrong and stuff like that, but in return they want to be pleased in that sexual manner. So you have to look at it both ways, and fair is fair. The song sounds good to me. You know, it catchy, it funny, you know, even though I don't take part in those activities, you know, other people do, but it's just a song. It's just, you know, controversy and people like that. So if that's going to help her career, fine. Here we are talking about it now. Ishawna's name is, you know, in the media for the past week, 2 weeks now. So I guess it's good for her career. But I also want to implore other artists, just be careful what you put out there for the youths. That's the only issue I have. The youths, you know, thinking that it is normal, they can just run up and down and do these things, you know. When you're an adult, you can, but just wait until you're an adult. So that's the only issue I have with the song. It sounds good, it's catchy. You know, females they run joke with their friend and stuff like that, who stop drink Pepsi or bag juice, you know, and stuff like that. So, you know, yeah, so overall, I think it's a good song, but just be careful what you feed the kids. That's all I have to say about it. So, big up Ishawna, big up all my gingerbread and jelly bean, big up everybody that, you know, subscribe and watch his channel. And thanks to my brethren John and Gary, you know, asking me to comment on it, and my friend Minto asking me what I think about it and stuff. You know, so thanks for that, you know, give me the motivation to talk about it, and I hope you like this video. So if you do, remember to subscribe and share for more, and just add your opinion in the comments below. Tell me how you think about what you think about it, if you are for it or against it. You know, if you agree with me, fine. You know, if you disagree with me, fine. You know, just leave it in the comment section below. Thanks. Remember to give it a thumbs up. I'm gone. No Pepsi, no bag juice.
Just got started. What you think one round can do? Bumper to your forehead. Show me what your tongue can do. If you not have it in a waist, you better have it in a face. Bright enough for you, look out for shine you. And you don't want tears. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back nana use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a bag juice. Me say equal rights and justice. Enough ignorant people I go cuss this. My pussy tight cut up your cocky like cutlass. But if you want head my youth, you have to suck this. Why? Me nah go compromise. Me want feel how your head feel between my thighs. Me want looking at your dreamy eyes when you a chew on me pum pum like French fries. You never hear about foreplay. I'm modern times now, boy, relax, it's okay. If me ever bring it up in the group chat, you get the threesome for your birthday. Cause you have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back nana use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a bag juice. Me say equal rights and justice. Enough ignorant people I go cuss this. My pussy tight cut up your cocky like cutlass. But if you want head my youth, you have to suck this. Me love it when the man them brave up. Can of man of them good tongue I save up. That me like when you eat me right. When you do it, me galang outrageous. Put your lips on me clip, make me gear up. Let out your inner freak, nobody cage up. That we like when you eat we right. When you do it, we galang outrageous. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back nana use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a bag juice. Me say equal rights rights and justice. Enough ignorant people I go cuss this. My pussy tight, cut up your cocky like cutlass. But if you want head my youth, you have to suck this. Me not afraid of nobody. And when me talk, me not care who not like me. Me shave up my body. Me drink my pineapple juice nightly. Me take care of my body. So him supposed to name me nightly. Me not afraid of nobody who not like me. Them fi bind me. Cause you have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back nana use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a bag juice. Me say equal rights and justice. Enough ignorant people I go cuss this. Me pussy tight, cut up your cocky like cutlass. But if you want head my youth, you have to suck this.